Alright, here's a 1995 Honda Civic. It's an 18th scale model from Racing Champions. Another one of the Fast Furious models. This one has the same lighting on it, similar to the Eclipse that I uploaded about a week ago, or well, 4 or 5 days ago. Again, 1995 Civic, 18th scale. I believe I mentioned that. Front door is open. Hood opens on this one. Trunk opens as well, which is where the battery is located. Also the nitrous tank, gotta have nitrous, right? Interior, of course, nothing was done to it. Again, similar to the Eclipse, this one headlights, tail lights, front park lights, and then green lighting underneath the car, which is what the customer asked for. So, switch located here in the center, right? There you go, get it in the picture right here. And again, 9-volt battery, so easy enough to change in the trunk. Go ahead and turn it on. Again, you can see the headlights, of course, front park lights, both sides, tail lights in the rear. And of course, obviously, you can see the green glow of the lights. Let's turn this off here to be able to see it pretty good. There we go. Turned out pretty good. So anyway, I got those 3 finished up. I'll see what I can do on that Challenger for you. Like I said, I don't know. I guess obviously it was roughed up in shipping, but see what I can do with that for you. See if I can get that top fixed, and we'll go from there. So thank you for the orders. I appreciate it very much.